I am Christian Heusermann. I am caregiver here in Germany. I joined I Am Worldwide because I am sick. I am suffering back pain, and my friend Mentor Gina introduced me this product, and I feel better. Now I want to share these blessings to others. I enjoy contacting my friends through online platform anytime I have free time. I am doing the business. Minsan daming pagsubok along the way, but if you are committed to do it, ay talagang bigyan ka ni Lord ng paraan para magawa mong tama. My achievements is that nag-start po tayo from silver package, then nag-upgrade po tayo ng gold package, at ang title rank ko po ngayon ay titanium package. Nakapag Give Me 5 na din po tayo, nakapag Just For You, at ngayon ay ka-achiever na po tayo. According to Jeremiah 29:11, For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plan to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. To God be all the glory. I recommend sa lahat po na hindi pa po nag-join ng I Am Worldwide, simulan nyo na kasi wala naman pong mawawala if you try.